Windscribe VPN Review, Usage Experience. In this video, we're diving into a comprehensive review of Windscribe VPN, highlighting its features, performance, and whether it's the right choice for you. Links to the product are in the description below, so feel free to check them out if you're interested. Windscribe VPN is designed with privacy-conscious users in mind, offering robust features that ensure online security and anonymity. One of its standout features is its no-logs policy, meaning your browsing activity isn't stored, which is crucial for anyone serious about maintaining privacy online. Windscribe is equipped with strong AES 256 encryption, ensuring your data is secure, even on public Wi-Fi networks. It supports various protocols like IKEv2, OpenVPN, and WireGuard, giving you flexibility in how you connect, with a focus on speed and stability. The VPN also has a built-in firewall and ad blocker to protect you from unwanted online threats and intrusive ads. What sets Windscribe apart is its versatility. It works on all major platforms, including Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS, and allows for simultaneous connections on multiple devices. For power users, there's even a feature-rich browser extension that gives additional control over your connection, letting you manage your security settings with ease. The service is budget-friendly, offering a free plan with a generous 10 gigabytes of monthly data, which is great for casual users. However, if you need more bandwidth or access to premium features, their paid plans are highly affordable, considering the features they offer, such as access to servers in 63 countries, unlimited data, and faster speeds. Overall, Windscribe VPN is a great option for both beginners and experienced users who need a reliable, secure, and flexible VPN solution. With its user-friendly interface, solid privacy features, and affordable pricing, it's definitely worth considering if you're looking to enhance your online privacy and security.